Hello students. Now let's move on to question number 55 of NEET 2017 paper code R. Okay, so what exactly is the given part? You have an unknown compound X, which is C2H6O, the formula is given, and on heating with copper at 573 Kelvin, it gives a series of reaction. So it gives A on treatment with this, it gives a silver mirror test. So this is basically a silver mirror test, silver amine complex basically. And then you have on treatment with a base, it gives Y. Okay, that would give you the clue. And on treatment with Z, on treatment with this particular compound, which is nothing but semicarbazide. So semicarbazide, it gives compound Z, right? So you are supposed to identify X, A, Y, and Z. Okay, so let's start with analyzing the question. So if you could see here, X is basically C2H6O. So the possibility is it could be ethanol, that is C2H5OH, or you have dimethyl ether, right? So this is the possibility. But if you could see here, so it gives a silver mirror test. So that means it is definitely, it is definitely getting converted to an aldehyde, right? Okay, so let's start with this stepwise solution. So this could be an alcohol, this could be an ether. There are possibilities, right? Now, using metallic copper, it undergoes dehydrogenation. Okay, so it undergoes dehydrogenation. So what exactly happens? So X, which can be CH3O, CH3, or it could be something like C2H5OH, right? So this on treatment with metallic copper at 573 Kelvin, what exactly happens? So there is basically no reaction with this. So what happens? The reaction actually happens over here. So you get CH3, CH, double bond O, right? And this is confirmed by the fact that this gives positive silver mirror test, right? So that means basically, if you could see here, X is nothing but ethanol. X is nothing but ethanol, and then you have A is nothing but ethanol or acetaldehyde. Ethanol or acetaldehyde. Now, what exactly is given is on treatment of a base. So this is basically an aldol condensation. So what exactly happens? I would directly write down, because since heating is also given, so it forms CH3, CH, double bond CH, single bond CHO, right? And how exactly this happens? This is pretty much simple. So I would use the space over here. So what exactly happens is, so you have CH3, CH, double bond O, plus I would simply write this as CH2H, CHO, right? So what happens? This hydrogen goes here, a double bond becomes single bond, and then finally you'll be left out with CH3, CH, and then there is an OH over here, and then you have a CH2, which I can write it as CHH, and then CHO. Now this would undergo dehydration, and then that's how you get CH3, CH, right? Double bond CH, single bond CHO. And if you could see here, this is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is basically bute. No double bond, it's not no double bond, definitely there is a double bond. So I'll write En, and then it is Al, 1Al. The double bond is between 2 and 3, so bute 2En, 1Al, right? And then what exactly they have given? This on treatment with, this is semicarbazide. So you have NH2, and then you have NH, and then you have a C double bond O, and then you have an NH2. So what exactly happens? This O and this H2 goes in the form of water, and then you will be left out with CH3, CH, right? Double bond N, single bond NH, and then you have CO, and then you have an NH2, right? So the name of this compound is semicarbazone, right? So by now you might have already got this. So this is nothing but Z. You might have already got the answer. So A is ethanol. So let's try to see. Option number 1 says ethanol. Option number 4 says ethanol, right? But if you could see here, X is acetaldehyde. That's also correct. But Y is butanone. That is incorrect. So that indicates that option number 4 is the correct answer, right? So the correct answer for this particular question is option 4. So the correct answer is A is ethanol. Yes, A is ethanol, X is ethanol, and then Y is butanol, and then you have Z is semicarbazone, right? Butanol basically, and then you have Z is semicarbazone. So the correct answer for this particular question is option number 4.